As many of you already know, the launch of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 is expected to take place in the first quarter of 2024. However, while that is confirmed or not, details about these devices continue to emerge, and now we can talk about their strong emphasis on artificial intelligence. It appears that this new range of phones will come with One UI 6.1 out of the box, which leads us to expect that these devices will feature many innovations centered around artificial intelligence as suggested by the leaker ICE universe. Therefore, it is quite probable that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup will have the most significant AI update in the history of the Korean company. In fact, rumors suggest that the improvements will be quite significant and will change the functionality of the company's upcoming smartphones. If all this information is true, it will highlight that one of the main selling points of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 will be AI. On the other hand, it will be quite interesting to see how these devices come with One UI 6.1. To clarify, remember that One UI 6 is still in the beta testing phase, which has recently been made available for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. There is currently no stable release date, but there is already talk about its next version, one that will be powered by AI, as it will be integrated into the system. Although not many details have been provided, the mentioned leaker has shared that the improvements provided by AI will be far ahead of Bixby. As we already know that Google used its Pixel 8 series launch event to reveal a version of Assistant powered by Bard. The company announced that it would be testing the superpowered Assistant soon, and it looks like the list of supported devices is very short. 9 to 5 Google dug into a beta version of the Google app, discovering hints that the Google Pixel 8 series and upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be the first devices to support Assistant with Bard. However, the outlet also discovered references to pending support for older Tensor-powered Pixel phones, Pixel 6 and newer, as well as the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. It's unclear why Google is specifically targeting these recent devices, although we can speculate that the company is harnessing the more powerful AI silicon for Assistant with Bard. Google already uses its Tensor chips for offline voice typing, so it's theoretically possible it's taking a similar approach in the Bard-enabled Assistant before sending the query to the cloud. Google says Assistant with Bard will roll out to testers soon with the wider release in the coming months, so we'll likely have more clarity on supported devices once it's in testing. Either way, it's clear that generative AI will be a big deal on smartphones in 2024. Clearly, we will have to wait until early 2024 to see if the new Samsung Galaxy S24 models arrive as indicated by the renowned leaker. Well, it might be a great start for the upcoming S24 lineup. We are already seeing a lot of welcome changes, including the titanium build, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and now this new AI system. Either way, it's a win-win situations for the S24 buyers in 2024 and those who are eagerly waiting for the next-gen Galaxy lineup. So what do you guys think about the future of AI and smartphone? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.